Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 4D, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to click on Notifications and tap on App Settings. Following that, click on Most Recent and select one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. As you can see now, all notifications from Gmail are blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just click on one of your apps and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!